Hi, I'm Leonardo Mazzella, this is Bikeflip, and today we're learning side-ups. The first step to learn how to do side-up would be to do a side back wheel hop, taking a line on the ground as a reference. You're gonna start on your back wheel, do a pedal kick hop, and then move the bike to your side. Once you've worked through your bases, now it's time to move to some higher walls. To achieve this, you're gonna try to move your butt to your back wheel, and when it's time to do the pedal kick, release your back brake and move your hips forward. A very important thing is to remember that your strong foot should be always on the other side of the wall. If you're right foot forward, you're gonna jump to the left, and if you're left foot forward, you're gonna jump to the right. When landing, it's super important to maintain balance, and to achieve that, you're gonna move your body on the opposite side. Once you get comfortable with this movement, now it's time to maximize your height. And the best way to do so is tucking in your bike in the highest point of your jump. The best bike to do this kind of trick is a trials bike. If you don't have one, get one on Bikeflip. Now that you know how to do a perfect side-up, it's time to take it to the next level.
Bikeflip, the bicycle marketplace.